Hello, my name is Marco Puente and this is my project proposal video. In this video we'll be discussing the project timeline, title slide examples, and flowchart for my upcoming project. The project timeline for month 6 is broken down into weeks, with week 1 focusing on finishing Captivate project sitemap with Flow and the storyboard for videos to be incorporated into the project. In weeks 2 to 3, I'll be focusing on finishing up the scripts and tests that are going to be written and approved, creating the Captivate project with placeholders for videos, then finalizing week 4 with revisions and revision control documentation and also focus testing. Now let's take a look at some of the title slide examples. Here's title slide number 1. In title slide number 1, I wanted the focus to be mainly on the title itself, United States Air Force Command Post. I took a picture of my uniform to use as a background and also took an image of our occupational badge to show the learner that they're going to be utilizing a module that talks about a job in the United States Air Force. Here is title slide number 2. In title slide number 2, I wanted to give the learner an example of what a command post looks like. So I put the focus primarily on the picture itself, which is an actual working command post with men and women of the armed forces doing the job on a day-to-day basis. Here is title slide number 3. In title slide number 3, I kept the color scheme very simple and I used a large image of our occupational badge to show the learner that they're going to be reviewing a module that discusses what the United States Air Force Command Post is all about. Now let's take a look at the project flowchart. Here is the project flowchart that shows how the learner is going to navigate through my module. It's broken down into 2 lessons and a final exam. In lesson 1, we'll start with an introduction to video, a brief history of the Air Force, a quiz, followed by an introduction to command post, followed by another quiz, and then it is what is required to be a command post controller. Now if the learner passes all quiz successfully, they can move on to lesson 2, which starts off with an introduction to video, daily functions and additional duties of command post, followed by a quiz, who does the command post fall under, followed by a quiz, what civilian jobs are similar to command post, and then if they pass all the quizzes, they move on to the final exam. If they pass the final exam, they can take a survey, or if they fail, they have to start all over again from lesson 1.